Over 3 decades of its journey, Power Grid has grown leaps and bounds, illuminating and energizing the nation, leading the way through innovation and state-of-the-art technologies. Today, Power Grid is the third largest transmission utility globally. Financial year 2021 has seen another year of splendid achievements. During the year, 7,403 circuit kilometer of transmission lines, 27,624 megavolt ampere transformation capacity and 13 new substations were added. Recently commissioned projects include the 320 kV Pugalur-Thrissur VSC-based HVDC system, which was dedicated to the nation by the Honorable Prime Minister of India.
It is also the first time the VSC converter technology has been introduced in the country for transmission. It is indeed a moment of pride for all of us.
It enables safe and faster transmission with reduced losses and also enables transmission through cables. This technology also facilitates smart grid. It provides greater flexibility in reactive power management and is therefore safer, and also enables higher integration of renewable energy.
Power Grid added 8,500 megawatt of inter-regional capacity by commissioning major port of 800 kV 6,000 megawatt Raigad-Pugalur HVDC system and 765 kV DC Vindhyachal-Varanasi line. Operational excellence has been Power Grid's forte. Availability of the transmission network was maintained at 99.78%, comparable to international standards. Live line aerial patrolling using drones and helicopters and several in-house developed software tools and apps ensure better asset management. The untiring efforts of Team Power Grid ensured uninterrupted power supply to the nation despite the COVID-19 pandemic. Financial performance in year 2021 was also impressive. Total income for the FY21 was 40,824 crore rupees and profit after tax was 12,036 crore on consolidated basis. For the first time, Power Grid issued bonus shares in the ratio of 1:3 to its shareholders. Dividend per share rose by 33% to Rs 12 compared to Rs 9 paid for the previous year. Power Grid completed the first InvIT by a government entity and the largest InvIT offering in the country through PG InvIT in May 2021. Under sustainable initiatives, Power Grid commissioned world's first natural ester oil-filled reactor. India's first fully digital substation has been established at Malerkotla substation that would help in faster commissioning, reduced downtime and reduced carbon footprint. Power Grid installed 6 megawatt peak rooftop solar PV systems at more than 70 establishments to meet the captive power requirement. The company is also promoting e-mobility by installing fast EV charging stations. During the pandemic, Power Grid family united as one to provide relief and succor to the community. Massive vaccination drives ensured 100% coverage of all employees and families, contract and construction workers. In recognition of its performance, Power Grid has been bestowed with several national and international awards. As it reaches new milestones and achieves higher performance standards with each passing year, Power Grid pledges to continue on the path of creating sustained value for its millions of stakeholders.